We're recording. Okay. I guess is projectile impacts. Okay. Alright, so we've landed here. Let me look around my ship. Okay. I guess I need to go towards that blue dot. Dust route. Okay. Some dust.
The scanners, the abandoned research facility is in this
direction. Okay, so we're going to an abandoned research facility. What's this thing? Doesn't seem to be attacking me. Oh, there's another one. How do I get my how do I get my weapon out? Okay. You almost got blasted, Vasco. Vasco makes me think of Bosco, but I keep calling him Basco, which is wrong. If I wanted to say Bosco. Anyway. I don't want to kill that thing. Maybe I won't kill it unless it tries to attack me. There's a lot out here. Was that a big one? Can I zoom? No? Oh, I didn't want to do that.
Be careful, Captain. Alien creatures are often
Unpredictable. F. Scan, okay, scan creatures, mineral, each unique item scan progress your survey of the planet. Okay, complete survey data can be sold for credits. Oh, the scanner mode also unlocks additional features such as building up outposts and using social skills like diplomacy and intimidation. Crete Stalker. Okay. Let me out of this. Well, just leave me alone. I'll just let you sit there. Yeah, just stay there. Okay. Is that thing following me? Okay, good. What's this thing? I know I'm going off course here, but... Okay. Ooh. Got a little tunnel here. It's fun. Alright. Crete Research Lab. Ooh, I got experience for discovering a lab. Okay.
Confederation of smaller, independent pirate crews, all flying under the same banner. They are typically unscrupulous and violent.
Crimson Fleet, okay. That just makes me think of that old Xbox game. I can't remember, Crimson... No, I can't remember it. Crimson something. Can I take that? No? Looks like a nice rock. So I'm assuming there's gonna be some people here already. Okay. Well. Yeah, I guess I can jump. Oh yeah. I can do a nice big jump. Alright, let's go up the ramp here. Ooh. Ooh, yeah. Wire spool. And some more vacuum tape. I guess pretty soon I'm going to be finding a lot of vacuums. Give me that. Give me that tool. Oh. Okay. And another gauge. Yeah, I guess that makes sense. R would be reload. I was struggling with that earlier. Impact driver, yeah. Oh, give me that. Always nice to have a fire extinguisher. Okay, get out of my way, man. Fine, I'll go over here. I mean, I know I'm supposed to be over there. I'm just exploring before I go in there. I like to get my... I gotta take in my surroundings here. Huh. So I've gotta go around. Okay. Huh. Could go in there. We got some stuff up here. Ooh, give me that. Oh yeah, give me that. E.
You have picked up too much matter and become over-encumbered.
What? Well, I'm walking fine. So, but I'm not walking slowly. So now what? Let me drop my sandwich. Okay, see, what's the deal? Inventory, okay. Mass, 137, okay. So, new items. An adaptive frame. What's the little... How about telling... Okay, mass, 0.20. You cannot equip. Okay, well... Drop. Well, how do I pick that up? I mean, I have it. Whatever. So it looks like I've got... Yeah, a med pack. That says 0 for some reason. But here says 9. So that makes no sense. I don't even know how to switch my gun. Because I have this handgun. Oh, weapons right here. The Maelstrom. A rescue axe. A cutter. Okay. Whatever. Well... Okay. So this is already open here. I'm glad it didn't lock myself out. I can't really pick up anything because I'm loaded already. Basically. Okay. So this place, well, okay, it is abandoned.
Curious.
Okay.
These are United Colonies markings, but we are in Freestar Collective space. It then stands to reason that this was once a secret UC facility.
Okay. Reminder, run. I want a sand garden. Succulent. Okay. What's over here? Tissues, more tissues. Hammer. Oh, that's one. That's a cube. A cube, that's pretty vague. Yeah, I don't know. I know I'm supposed to go up there. I'm just, okay. Coffee mug. Here's a notepad. Okay, it's probably a vial. I'm just wondering if there's any like logs around here. Just to give me I don't know, some info. There's something in, oh, die!
Wants to search the enemy's remains for valuables.
Nutrient. That's cool. Bosco has weapons. Take a toxin. Ooh, fridge. Got any ice cream? Impact. There's a lot of those around here. Okay. Nothing. Ooh, computers. I can sit down in the chair. Pencil case. Alright, so I'm just sitting here just in case if I'm supposed... Wait. Coffee mug. Get out of the way! You know what? How do I get up?
While I am programmed for combat, it is not my primary function.
Okay. You have no... You don't have any sense of personal space either. Get out of the way. Dork. Yeah, move. Now my gun's gone. Okay. That looks flammable. Don't want to blow that up. Oh, a molecule extractor. Wow, 1.6. Okay, he didn't yell at me, so I guess I still got room. Ooh, a sculpture. Wow, 3. Workplace safety is everyone's job. Pamphlet holder. Yeah, I wonder... Impact driver. There's another one. I wonder if he can take... Genetic sample bottle. Well, he's not... Yeah, I was wondering if I could... He can't buy stuff from me. That would be dumb. That would mean he has, like, a bunch of... Ooh, case... Oh, okay. What is that, a tooth puller? Genetic... Another one. Do I need these? Never know when you need some genetic samples. I can sit down again. He can get in my face. Cred stick. Cred. Cool. About time. Give me some money. Desktop. Alright. Safety. PPE. Hey, that's funny. PPE was all the rage recently. Okay, here we go. We're going into the blue dot. Alright, something close. Some stuff. Synthofoam container. So I can do some eBay shopping, some shipping. Thought that was a coffee maker. Alright. Another fire extinguisher. Okay, dead guy. Credits. Uranium. Well, running while encumbered will quickly drain your oxygen. Okay. Notebook. Scientist. Transfer. Categories. Okay, so sealant. Okay, that was weird. Notebooks, notepad, history of xenobiology. Okay, how do you know what's important? I guess it'll let you know. Because you can't carry all this stuff. Jeez. Do a little reload there. Okay. So I'm coming to this blue mark. Medical. Okay. Yeah, see? I'm not going to pick that up. Get out of the way. Again. Another door. Wow. Is that okay? Seemed like a flashlight went on me. Alright.
Okay. Pirate, I don't know. 100 credits. Okay. Did he pay? Glass. Okay. So I got a couple guys. Uh-oh. Just keep your eyes. Uh-oh. Brogan said he didn't before it dies. Yeah, I hear you. Yeah, we got it.
Okay, so we got a couple pirates in here. I'm not gonna throw a cup at them. Ooh, what's that? Spiced worms. Oh, I can just go ahead and eat some. Yum. Alright. A wine glass. Beer. No. No. Nothing's out here. Are they? So maybe they're just gonna come to me now? They're just gonna oh, a baking pan. One more time. Piece of junk. I still don't know how to crouch. Ooh, okay. I'm done. So they see me, maybe? I should just go out there, but I'm trying to be, Yeah, I don't even know how to crouch. Yeah, Bosco.
one's life expectancy.
Okay, yeah. That's right. Don't mess with me in Bosco. Oh, yeah. Give me my cards here. Oh, why did I shoot a card? Okay. Food tray. Now let me loot these guys. These folks. Okay, yeah. I don't need another rescue axe. Don't they have any money? Give me some money. Yeah. That's cool. So... a cutter. Does that mean I have 3? So I want this. Drop. Yeah, well... okay. What is that for? Okay, damage. So I have 4 of these? There's a 4 right here. Okay, so it was at 2 and then went down to 0. Fine. Let me just get 1. You know what? No, never mind. I'll just keep it. I was wondering if I even needed to hold on to that cutter. Notebook. Give me some money. Credits, yeah. Maelstrom. Credits. Space helmet. Eon. You know what? What's an Eon? No, that's a ripoff. I'm not gonna do that. Ooh, a levitating desk planet. I want one of those. Okay, so I have too much stuff again. Yeah, let me just get rid of this cutter. Okay, so that gives me room. Prepare to equipped. Sort, okay. Inspect, sort, okay. Okay. Okay, so I equipped this. But there has to be a different way. Okay, V. I still don't understand why I don't know how to crouch. That's not what, no. Well, I gotta get that. That's nice. It's a nice... oh, whatever. Oh, what's in here? Oh, it's a restroom. Okay. Milk. I'm sure it's good. The Pickwick Papers. Notepad. Alright. me.
Put something in a cage until it kills you.
One more time.
One more time? Wait. Maybe I can... Hopefully they're not in here. Whoa, computer. Yeah, I could use a little health here. I don't want to mess with that yet. Give me some more spiced worms or something, because I just noticed. I guess I can't sleep right now. I noticed I could use some. Yeah. Oh, another planet. Some health. Wire spool. Folder. Battle meal. Ooh. Yeah. That didn't really seem to do anything. So, chair. Eggman desk assistant. Deck of cards. Whatever. Ooh. Oh, more cards. So, why didn't it give me my weight, all the things I'm carrying, like right now, like on the screen? No, there's health right there. Okay. More lockers. Yeah, I keep eating health and it seems like I still have a ways to go to replenish my health. A cylindrical glass. Okay. Notepad. A bowl. Another desk assistant. On a shelf. A sphere toy. Okay, there's just... Seems like there's just more crap. Safe. Unlock. Ooh. Oh, fill in all the slots. Fill in all open slots in every layer. Select a key and rotate until that lines up with the gaps. In the security layer, slot the key to fill in the gaps. Each key can only be used once. Okay, this is not gonna go well. Fill in all empty slots in every layer to open the lock. Okay. So this makes no sense. Digipix. So it looks like this one might fit, I guess. Am I supposed to... Start. Slot key. Is there any more instructions? Well, I'm hitting E and nothing's happening. You know what? What is this? Whatever. Dadgummit. A game. Hey! Blue lab outfit. Notebook. A humidifier. What kind of home goods around here? Can I just... Yeah, let's consume this. Sealed container. So I've got a lot of options here.
Barrett and the Crimson Fleet have something of a history.
Yeah, get out of my way. You keep getting in my way. Oh man. So where are these bad guys? Did I? Okay.
Yeah, let's eat some chocolate. Folder. Alien bug paperweight. Blender base.
Whiskey glass. Okay. Newton's cradle. Okay, we're making some progress. Notebook. Bandages. Ooh. A grindle. Alright. How am I doing on my weight here? Set course. Oh, okay, so I'm still okay. Okay. We need to get to a stopping point here. Where's my blue dot? Okay, I'm going the wrong way. That's what I'm... What's this? That's a closet that I can't open. Ooh, a mine.
Stock up on ammo next time I hit the key. My head!
Ow! Whoops. I guess I could have tried talking to him, but... No, that plant's not going to be much,
There is nothing nearby.
Okay. Yeah, I wondered if... Oh, there's a third. You... Okay, so this one doesn't want to talk to me. Can I switch? Oh. No. How do I... There's got to be some kind of quick... There's got to be like a quick
Please avoid getting shot. You might die.
way to switch my gun. Hazmat suit.
It seems the enemy has vanished.
I don't like this gun.
That's not very accurate. Okay, that's not much either. I need some accurate weapons.
There is no enemy nearby. Resume systematic wandering.
Waste of time.
Liar. Okay, well they're obviously around here. Microsoap. Oh, well, yeah, I didn't loot this guy. You know what?
A space charger suit. Compare to equipped. Okay. So looks like mine, well, whatever. Get me out of here.
Let me drop this stupid thing. So basically now I'm looking for money or moolah and ammo. Which would be nice. Uh-oh. Ooh, yeah, I'll take your money. Sorry. And health. Okay, so I guess something escaped. They were afraid of some monster earlier.
Wait, what was that?
Nothing. There's nothing. That's just Bosco. Don't mind him. Okay, I need to just go. Oh.
Here! Over here!
Die!
Let's end this.
No. Are you over here? No. Ow!
Not done yet. Go, 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 run.
Who are you talking to? Yeah, too bad. Man. Ow! By pressing O. Use medpack by pressing O. You can also use medpack opening your inventory. O. Is that 0? 0 or O? Let me get out of here. Get out of my way! What's going off? Fireworks? Okay, something's happening. I suck. Yeah, jerk. I don't want your stupid rescue axe. I don't want a Grendel. $105 credits? No, I don't. I didn't want a stupid bowl. Give me some money. Oh, yeah, give me some water. Let me wrap this up, guys. Ooh. I want a laser rifle. What's this? Marker. Microscope. Okay, I am overloaded already.
durables. Ship parts. These are... Repairs 4%. What? Medpack. Why can't I just use this here? Oh, I can click on it. Okay.
Okay, I don't want to drink bourbon. I don't remember. Enhances reading reflexes. Okay. I don't remember that either. I need to drop something. Quantity? Why am I getting this? Okay. I have no idea. What is that? What does that mean? Whatever. So I'm carrying around more than one rifle?
Open fire!
Hey, wait!
Enemy damage registered.
Close range. Yeah, punk. Level up. That's right. You receive 1 skill point to spend every time you level up. Each skill also unlocks a challenge. Complete the challenge. Spend a skill point. Okay, that's... Why is this confusing? The top row represents the basic skill. The rows below are locked until you have spent... Okay. You receive 1 skill point. Dueling ballistics. Lasers. Skill points. 1. Okay. We're gonna stop right there, even though that wasn't a very good spot. But this video is getting long. And I don't know what I'm doing in this game. So thank you for watching.